The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
Okay, so for number 4, we're supposed to solve these inequalities, express our answers in interval notation, and also graph them on a number line. So in letter A, we have a triple inequality. So we have 3 things, and remember that's not really any different than a standard inequality, except that when you do something to, add or subtract, multiply or divide, you have to do it to all 3 pieces of the inequality. So we're going to start with this, negative 3 less than or equal to 1 minus 2 times x plus 5 is less than or equal to 5. So we want to try to get down to just x. So we'll deal with all of the other things in the middle here. So first we want to subtract 1. We have to do that to all of them. So that'll get rid of that. And just leave us with negative 2 times x plus 5. So if we subtract 1 from negative 3, we get negative 4. Subtract 1 here, we get 4. Now we want to divide by negative 2. Do that to both sides also. Remember though that if you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, you have to change the direction of the inequality. So now our signs are going to be going this way, and we'll just have the x plus 5 in the center. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 would be 2, and 4 divided by negative 2 would be negative 2. So now we have that. And finally, we just need to subtract 5. So we get x in the center. When we subtract 5 from both sides, over here we get negative 3, and over here we get negative 7. So this tells us that x has to be in between negative 7 and negative 3, inclusive, meaning these are equal signs. It can be the endpoints. So if we're going to graph that on a number line, we would want to say we have negative 7 to negative 3. We want everything, including those 2 points, and between them. So you would darken in the center and have the endpoints filled in as well. So this is an interval notation, and this is graphed on a number line.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.